Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a Google Pixel 4a 5G that is in need of a screen replacement. And check this out, it's totally broken. So right now we're going to remove the front display because Google Pixel smartphones tend to have like instruction wherein you can access the internal components of the smartphone through the front display. If you remove this, you'll be able to access the motherboard and the battery and other internal parts. But the problem is sometimes Google Pixel smartphones have these strong adhesives, and this one seems to have very weak adhesives, and I can assume that it has been repaired before. The screen is not stock, and it's easier to remove the screen replacement, the previous one that's broken. And we're in. So when you are dealing with this screen, you don't yank it out because there's still a main board that is attached to the motherboard. There's no problem if you break the cable, the old cable, but the connector on the board is kind of sensitive, so don't pull it out just yet. Remove the screws and then remove the covering plate. So right now we don't have to do anything else. We just have to clean the sides, remove shards of glass that are remaining inside. We need to ensure that there's no pieces of glass that is left underneath the replacement display, because it can cause another damage if we push it down later. So this is also a time for us to clean the old glue that is on the sides of the chassis right here. There's still a lot of remnants of the old display. So just making sure, you have to double check. And for a beginner, this is kind of an easy DIY project for you, but just make sure that you follow the precautionary measures when removing the old display. So right now we're almost done cleaning the chassis, prepping it for the new replacement display. And we also have to shave off some of the sometimes bent chassis so that the replacement display can be pushed in flush inside the cutout. So next step is to get the replacement display and install it. But unfortunately, we have some issues with our camera, and we were unable to show you be unable to show you the whole thing. But this is kind of the gist. We push it in, screw the cover, the retaining clip, and then turn it on. So this is where our camera glitched out, but it's already fixed now. It's attached with new adhesives, and we're just putting some rubber bands so that we can press it in and allow the glue to dry. And as you can see here, it's pretty good. It's working. A successful screen replacement on a Google Pixel 4a 5G. So thanks for joining, guys. Till next time. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.